This is XLTOOL software, the most trusted software in this world. XLTOOL.
Namaste, and welcome to this explainer. Look, if you're a chartered accountant, an accounting pro, or you're stuck in the trenches of a corporate finance team handling foreign remittance tax filings, you already know the absolute headache that comes with the territory. The constant portal updates, those incredibly intricate data requirements, and the sheer, mind-numbing volume of manual entry. It can literally drain hours from your week. But what if I told you there's a revolutionary, massive time saver sitting right inside the software you already use every single day? Today, we are breaking down the Excel to Form 145 and 146 JSON bulk generator utility. Well, I've got some incredibly good news for you. We are looking at what can only be described as the ultimate CA superpower, automated JSON generation without any coding whatsoever. This utility acts as a highly secure savior for accounting firms. It takes that familiar, totally comfortable interface of an Excel spreadsheet where you already know exactly how to navigate, copy, and paste, and turns it into a powerhouse JSON engine. So here is how ridiculously streamlined your workflow becomes. Step 1. Add data and Excel. Simply copy and paste your remittance data into the pre-structured Excel template, or use that awesome import function we just discussed to fetch existing details. Step 2. Validate entries. You literally just click the Validate button. The utility instantly goes to work, auto-detecting any formatting errors, invalid spaces, or schema violations. Step 3. Generate JSON. Once everything is green and good to go, you click Generate. Your perfectly formatted Form 145 and 146 JSONs, along with the necessary zip files, are instantly created locally on your computer, totally ready for a seamless portal upload. Look, in today's digital age, data privacy is completely non-negotiable, especially when you're handling highly sensitive client financial data, PAN numbers, and transaction histories. Because this operates entirely as an offline Excel utility on your local machine, that sensitive client data remains completely 100% private. It never leaves your computer. It never gets uploaded to some random third-party cloud server for processing. You don't even need an active internet connection to generate your files. The security benefits here are absolutely massive. Scalability is absolutely vital for any growing practice, and this tool seriously delivers. First off, multi-user access. Because it's an Excel-based offline tool, you can have true staff collaboration from anywhere in your office without dealing with restrictive software licensing seats. Second, unlimited companies. You can manage filings for an infinite number of clients right from this single utility. It scales effortlessly, whether you have 10 clients or 1,000. And finally, the absolute best part, zero cost per JSON. There are no hidden fees, no API credits you have to constantly buy, no per file charges. You can generate unlimited bulk files without ever paying a dime extra. Now let's talk about accuracy. The engine features strong data validations built right in. The income tax portal? Yeah. It's completely unforgiving. A name that's just one character too long or a date in the wrong format, and boom, failed upload. This utility has built-in schema-level precision. It thoroughly checks for accurate formats, verifies character lengths, and prevents numerical data errors in real time. It actively auto-detects these issues and stops income tax portal rejections dead in their tracks way before you even try to upload the file, starting with Form 14.6. Now, if you've been in the game for a while, you probably remember this as the good old Form 15CB. It's that critical CA certificate that requires incredibly detailed inputs from the chartered accountant just to validate the exact nature of a foreign remittance. And the brilliance of this utility is how it flawlessly captures everything. This utility introduces an exclusive one-click auto copy feature. Basically, once you fill out Form 146 in the Excel tool, you simply click a button and it instantly copies all the relevant CA, tax, and remitter data directly into Part C. Are you ready to completely transform your tax filing today and finally eliminate those manual errors? It is definitely time to reclaim those countless hours of productivity. You can download the offline bulk generator utility completely free today.